Langkawi sky camp. We're down here and we're going up there.
Can't really see it, guys, but it is far up. So yeah, come and join us on our little journey.
We're walking through Oriental Sky Village first. I think you're essentially, it's like a little Chinatown.
Yeah, nice. Let's have a little wander. Do you know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of Alton Towers.
Does it?
Yeah, or Fort Park or something.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
So the last one, we're still ill, but I think it was the 9th episode or the 8th episode. I got a media on here, and the media like a muff that goes on top of and it wasn't working behind. You can channel it to go back at the back or the front, and I've got both on, so you can hear me when I'm going like this, like that, and I'm fingers crossed you can hear it. But yeah, it reminds me of like a theme park, this little bit. Guys, I'm actually scared of heights, so I should be alright though. I went in a cable car for snowboarding and that, and it was a lot higher than this. So
Are you really sure? Because it's quite high.
yes, I'm alright. I just probably won't be able to go across the bridge maybe.
Oh, we're going across the bridge.
Oh. Oh, well,
If I'm getting in that cable car, you're going on the bridge.
I'll be watching you.
Look at it.
Wow. Look at that there. Jesus Christ.
Hello, miss, hello. 5 and 6.
Where are you going then?
Oh, she's not making sense.
No, I know.
Okay.
Well, it's two of us, us two. So, spot on, there you go. I'm scared of heights.
Oh, very good.
Very warm.
Did you think this one through?
Oh, I've done snowboarding, so it shouldn't be that bad.
We're not in the glass bottom.
No, that's it.
It's all up, that's a good start.
Yeah.
That's a beautiful view. You do get the breezing.
Look at the waterfall. Man-made.
Is that what you said we were going to go next?
Yeah, maybe. Don't touch it. Don't touch the door.
I won't lean on the door.
Just hold
No,
on
I
to
just
the
want something move.
Just, do you want to swap with me?
No, I'm absolutely fine.
I'm scared of heights, and it seems like you're a little bit scared as well.
I think she might be scared of heights too.
Makes you panic, but just you'll be fine.
This is the feeling, like when I go skydiving, this is the feeling I have in the plane. Like the whole time I'm like, what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing?
Yeah.
And then when the door opens, it's like,
Yeah, you can. Yeah, but you can lob yourself out. Whereas
Yeah.
I stand on top of
no,
the
but I
chair.
hate it because I hate heights as well. So then when the door opens, it's terrifying. But then once I jump, it's okay. But none of it makes sense until then.
Oh, I'm not even going to look the other way because
No, I'm
it
not.
will freak me out.
Do you think it's better to sort of look up towards the...
Yeah, look
It's a
up
heavy-
that
Just
way.
look at the trees because they look nearby.
It looks really high.
It is
I think
high.
we're all freaking each other out now.
Yeah.
Well, they should not have put us all together. I feel actually fine, to be honest with you.
Yeah,
Yeah, you're pretty chill.
yeah,
You're in the
we're
middle,
good.
I
We're
think
good.
it's-
Positive.
Yeah. They run it all day, every day. I think that's, yeah.
Oh yeah, don't start saying that.
Yeah, by a rope, not worry more than standing on a bridge.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Great question. The thing is, because he's doing that already.
Yeah.
And the thing is with Finn, none of it actually makes sense. Like, it's not rational, is it?
No,
You
no,
can't
I
find
don't know
it.
why I'm scared of heights. Like,
Yeah.
I'm just so strange.
No, but I think everyone's really scared of heights.
This is a bit fast.
Okay, great work, everyone.
Straight in.
Alright.
Oh, well, we made it.
Not finished yet, right?
No.
So we're at the top now, 780 metres above sea level.
Really?
Yep. Langkawi Sky Bridge. We're not actually on the bridge at the minute because we don't think we're going to do that.
No.
But it's done well enough. And to be fair, you're not going to get. But it's no higher than this.
Are you scared of heights?
No, I'm scared of dying.
You can't really put that in there, can you? But are you scared of heights?
No, I'm not scared of heights.
So, but was it?
I'm scared of falling.
Yeah. That's sort of scared of heights, isn't it?
I don't know.
Imagine it started pissing down and raining, made the wind blowing in the was it was the worst. Guys, look at this. Absolutely incredible. Whew. Look at that.
Matahari kat belakang. Nama tu Waikiki kat sini.
With Connor facing his fears and taking in the surrounding views, the steepest cable car journey was definitely worth it, and something we would recommend for families. Afterward, we make our way to the Seven Wells waterfall, enticed by its natural pools and a perfect spot to cool down. Stay tuned for an exploration filled with excitement and natural wonders.
Okay, we're at Seven Wells waterfall. It's actually given its name for the 7 natural pools that have developed over the years. And it's 91 metres from the top, and we're going to see how far we can go.
How many steps is it?
I think it's about 630 steps up.
650 steps. Let's go. Do not try this at home if you've just overcome COVID. You start from the top, work your way down. Wow. I mean, you wouldn't want to slide down there, would you? Look at that. It's actually a glass bottom. Guys, you can slide down this. Don't know how quick it is though, and how slippery it is. Oh, it's so nice. Yeah. Huh? Whoa. Right. See you later. Hurts your arse a little bit. Go on, you sound. Let's go. You ain't hit your arse off. Your arse is so slippery. That was good. We forgot to show you one last bit though before we go. The bottom of the waterfall. keep going. Oh, you can go up here. Oh, you can actually swim in that bit. Guys, this is the 7 waterfalls. It's been pretty good. It's free to get here as well. But Nicole's got a massive bruise on it. I found lucky. But that was pretty fun, weren't it?
Yeah, it was pretty good actually.
But yeah, that's us done for the day.